Lesson: Impact of surveillance laws on private sector. The impact of surveillance laws on the private sector is a critical subject for professionals aiming to attain certification as information privacy professionals. Surveillance laws, enacted by governments to monitor activities for national security, crime prevention, and other reasons, have profound implications for businesses. These laws necessitate a delicate balance between privacy rights and the need for security, posing significant challenges to the private sector in maintaining compliance while protecting customer data and trust. Surveillance laws such as the USA PATRIOT Act, the Foreign Intelligence Surveillance Act, and the EU's General Data Protection Regulation have expanded the scope of government authority over personal data. These laws compel businesses to provide access to customer data under certain conditions, often without the knowledge of the individuals involved. As businesses increasingly operate in digital and global markets, they must navigate a complex web of international regulations. This complexity necessitates not only a deep understanding of the legal landscape, but also the implementation of practical tools and frameworks to ensure compliance and protect customer privacy effectively. One actionable insight for businesses is the development of a robust data governance framework. A comprehensive data governance strategy includes establishing clear policies for data collection, storage, access, and sharing. A practical tool for implementing such a framework is the Data Protection Impact Assessment. The DPIA is a process designed to help organizations identify and minimize data protection risks. By conducting DPIAs regularly, businesses can proactively address potential compliance issues, ensuring that surveillance requests do not compromise customer privacy or violate regulations. In addition to a data governance framework, businesses must invest in technology solutions that enhance data security. Encryption is a critical tool in safeguarding data against unauthorized access. By encrypting data, businesses can ensure that even if data is intercepted during a surveillance operation, it remains unintelligible without the correct decryption key. Encryption should be applied to both data at rest and data in transit to provide comprehensive protection. Additionally, businesses should implement access controls and authentication measures to restrict data access to authorized personnel only. A case study illustrating the importance of robust data protection measures is the 2013 incident involving the U.S. National Security Agency and major technology companies. Revelations by Edward Snowden highlighted how the NSA had accessed data from companies such as Google and Yahoo without users' knowledge. This incident underscored the need for businesses to enhance their data protection strategies, leading to widespread adoption of encryption and other privacy-enhancing technologies. Beyond technology, businesses must foster a culture of privacy awareness and compliance. This involves training employees on privacy laws and best practices for handling data requests from government agencies. Privacy training should be an ongoing effort, with regular updates to reflect changes in laws and technology. By equipping employees with the knowledge to recognize and respond appropriately to surveillance requests, businesses can reduce the risk of non-compliance and protect customer trust. To further navigate the challenges posed by surveillance laws, businesses can adopt the Privacy by Design framework. PBD advocates for integrating privacy considerations into the design and operation of IT systems and business practices. By embedding privacy into the core of their operations, businesses can ensure that compliance with surveillance laws does not compromise their commitment to protecting customer privacy. A step-by-step application of PBD involves identifying privacy risks in the early stages of system development, applying privacy-enhancing technologies, and continuously monitoring and adjusting privacy measures as needed. Statistics illustrate the growing importance of privacy compliance in the private sector. A study by IBM found that the global average cost of a data breach was $3.86 million in 2020, with regulatory fines and reputational damage contributing significantly to this cost. This highlights the financial implications of failing to comply with surveillance laws and the need for businesses to prioritize privacy and data protection. To facilitate compliance, businesses can leverage compliance management software. These tools help automate the process of tracking and managing compliance with various regulatory requirements. They can provide real-time alerts for potential compliance issues and generate reports to demonstrate compliance to regulators. By integrating compliance management software into their operations, businesses can streamline compliance processes and reduce the risk of costly violations. Collaborating with legal experts and privacy consultants is another practical strategy for businesses navigating surveillance laws. These professionals can provide guidance on interpreting complex regulations and developing strategies to meet compliance requirements. By engaging with experts, businesses can ensure they are well informed of legal obligations and best practices for data protection. It is also essential for businesses to maintain transparency with their customers regarding data handling practices. Transparency fosters trust and can mitigate potential backlash from consumers in the event of government surveillance requests. Businesses should clearly communicate their data collection and sharing practices in privacy policies and offer customers options to manage their data preferences. Updating and reviewing privacy policies regularly is crucial to reflect changes in surveillance laws and business practices. Privacy policies should be clear, concise, and accessible to consumers, ensuring they understand how their data is used and shared. By maintaining transparent and up-to-date privacy policies, businesses can demonstrate their commitment to privacy and enhance consumer trust. In conclusion, the impact of surveillance laws on the private sector is multifaceted, requiring businesses to adopt comprehensive strategies for compliance and data protection. By implementing data governance frameworks, leveraging encryption and technology solutions, fostering a culture of privacy awareness, and engaging with legal experts, businesses can navigate the challenges posed by surveillance laws effectively. The adoption of frameworks such as privacy by design and compliance management tools further enhances businesses' ability to protect customer data and maintain trust. As the regulatory landscape continues to evolve, businesses must remain vigilant and proactive in their approach to privacy and data protection, ensuring they meet their legal obligations and safeguard their customers' privacy.